Integrator Navigation Cockpit home screen, from which any module in the application can be accessed. Clicking on the Prioritized Exception Report navigation button instantly takes us to the KPI Exception Prioritization Decision Support Module home screen. This is the KPI Exception Prioritization Decision Support Module home screen. Clicking on the Profitability Navigation button in the Versus Target column takes us to the section of the screen that provides the optimization table for all of the market share profitability key performance indicators. The first table we can see is the Profitability Optimization table for operating profit as a percentage of total revenues projected for the time period 2015. The details of all of the columns in this optimization table will be discussed in the video on automated optimization in the section dedicated to competitive advantages of the KPI Exception Report Decision Support module. The table is initially sorted, as we can see here, in alphabetic order with the target and the average rows at the bottom. The structure of each optimization is defined by the choices you make with these two green pull-down menus. First, we're going to select the target metric. And in this particular case, we have three choices. And let's select actual percentage to show the operating profit as a percentage of total revenues. And the second choice we have is the type of analysis. And again, we see in the green pull-down menu, it defines the type of optimization and the name of the column that will display the optimized results. Let's select versus percent target to show the difference between the projected percent operating profit for 2015 and the target value expressed as a percentage of the target value. The optimized results, as we said, will be displayed in the column on the far left-hand side of the table with the heading versus percent target. Now simply clicking on the Prioritized Navigation button immediately results in the optimized results being displayed in the versus percent target column. And let's just scroll over. And this is now the optimization column. And we can see that the system has optimized and prioritized in descending order, with the projects most exceeding the percent target at the top and the worst performing at the bottom. So in this case, we can see that Atlanta is the best project at nearly 22% projected performance over the target. And we can see that the target here was 8%. And also that Chicago was performing the worst at over 25% below the target. Also note that Atlanta, Minneapolis, Boston, and the average of all projects outperformed the target, and only Phoenix and Chicago underperformed the target. Scroll back, we click on the Restore button, and this restores the entire optimization table to its original alphabetic-based sequence. Return to the top of the screen, and we're once again in a position to do another one-click optimization. This concludes the overview of the Integrator KPI Exception Prioritization Decision Support module.